Hi, I'm Tony over at Q's, and I'm going to show you how to set up your L65 using the auto level feature. Okay, we're going to start the truck up. And then we're going to engage the PTO. So now we're going to deploy our outriggers. Then you touch the button and put a little bit of pressure on the pad so it goes green right there. There we go. Alright, we're all set up on this side. Let's go to the street side. We're going to do the same thing here. Okay, so now our outriggers are deployed, and you can see that our sight glass is off. The bubble isn't in the center. So now we can do the auto level. It's blinking, telling us that we're not actually level. So if I press and hold this button, the truck will automatically level itself out. Here it goes. Now we're good. So at the end of the day, when you want to bring your outriggers back in, you gotta switch over to lower controls. And right here is the button for the curbside outrigger stow. So you press that in, and your outriggers will come up and automatically retract in. Now we can go to the street side and do the same thing. I hope this video has helped you out, and if you have any questions, throw a message in the comment area and we'll reply back to you. Thanks for checking us out.